Every year, over 16,000 fires are caused by dirty block dryers and clogged vents, even when you clean the lint trap every time. Introducing the Hurricane Lint Lizard, the revolutionary cleaning device that gets deep inside your dryer to clean the dangerous lint that even your lint trap leaves behind. Look, we used a professional inspection camera to show the inside of this dryer, and lint was everywhere. But just attach the Hurricane Lint Lizard on any vacuum. Then push it into your dryer, and instantly the hidden lint is removed. Now the inside is perfectly clean and back to factory fresh. The secret is the flexible design that follows the inner airways of your dryer and cleans away the hidden problems. Just look at all the lint we cleaned out of this dryer. Plus, a dirty dryer takes forever to dry clothes and wastes energy. But with the Lint Lizard, your clothes will dry faster and your energy bills will be less.
There's so much lint in there, and it came out so easy. My dryer's gonna run a lot better now.
I thought I kept my dryer clean. This thing really works.
Wow, this is easy. You can see the lint coming out. Now that's a lot of lint. I can't believe my dryer even ran, and that can't be safe.
Plus, it'll clean your dryer vents too. Just insert Lint Lizard right in your vent to ensure a clean dryer exhaust.
After seeing as many dryer fires as I have, I would recommend this product to everyone. It's an easy, fast, effective way to get rid of lint, and it will make your home safer.